What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a OG from UAG. This is the Pathfinder case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This thing is rated at 3 times the military drop standard, so it's rated at 18 feet, built-in magnets, and is made from recycled material, so it also protects the world. And this one, it's in this nice, beautiful orange. Without further ado, let's go ahead and place this bad boy inside. And look at that, bam. Tempered glass screen protector friendly, is gonna work just fine with the tempered glass screen protector. Very nice. Got lid protection there on the back, protecting the cameras. Got lid protection there on the front, protecting the screen. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on its back on a flat surface. No issue with that. Very nice color right here in this orange. It's available in different other colors, which is also fantastic. All the ports are nice and precise, no issues with that. 100% cover buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive. S Pen, easily accessible, no issues with that. Now this thing is going to wirelessly charge with no issue, and it is compatible with your MagSafe accessories. Bam! The UAG Pathfinder case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment sections below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!